Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we have my April 2019 Stitch Fix unboxing. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service where a stylist chooses items for you. You pay $20 to have the box shipped to you. You fill out a profile to tell the stylist what kinds of things you like and what you don't like. That stylist chooses 5 items for you. Boxes can be sent to you monthly, bi-monthly, seasonally, or you can opt to have it sent to you on demand, which basically is no obligation to have it done. The best part is you get to try the items on in the comfort of your own home. You keep the items that you want, and you send the rest of the items back in the prepaid mailer that they give you. You only pay for what you keep, and if you keep any items, that $20 styling fee gets applied to the items that you keep. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, which is really nice. I have signed up for the Style Pass, so I don't pay the $20 styling fee. I get unlimited fixes, so I don't have to pay that $20 styling fee. So I'm set up to get my fixes set up monthly. So we're gonna get into my box. I've already opened up the top of it, and when I open up my box, the first thing I see is that prepaid mailer bag. I love that the shipping is free both ways. I have my style card with my note from my stylist, and my stylist has been Kara, so let's see. Yep, I still have Kara. You get your invoice sheet, which tells you all the prices and the names of the items and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna set that over here. And real quick, I'm gonna read my stylist note. And she says, "Hey there, Jennifer. Thank you for your kind words. This is what I love about my job. It's my pleasure to pick pieces to have you feeling and looking fabulous. For your fix today, I made it all about those beautiful floral patterns that brighten our day. You mentioned you were looking for a pair of capris. Well, as soon as I saw these tribal cuff cropped trousers, I had to snag them for you. You have those amazing blue eyes. I wish I had blue eyes, brown. So not only will the Vince Camuto top pop when paired with the trousers, but they will make your eyes stand out like never before. Do you have springtime essential layering pieces, a white or regular denim jacket?" Actually, I don't. I actually would love to have a denim jacket. If so, throw it on to finish this look. Also, the Rainn blouse can be worn with these trousers. Last, try either blouse with the kimono and your favorite jeans, XX Kara. So it looks like I've got some really cute spring or summer items in my box. The only thing that I asked for in my box was some capris, because it's starting to get to that time of year where I need capris for work, and possibly a maxi dress, and I think I see one in here. So here is what my bundle looks like on this side, and that's what it looks like on that side. So a lot of blue, like she mentioned in the stylist note. So the first thing I see is the Rainn Becru lace detail blouse, and it looks like this. It's really light, and it has a lot of lace detail on it. Got some lace on the sleeves and on the top. The back of it looks like this. Has a lot of lace at the top, and there's this little tie at the very top of the back. So that's really cute. It does look a little wrinkly, which if you've watched my other videos, I've mentioned that I don't like to iron or have anything that's wrinkly, but maybe that's something that if you throw it in the dryer, it feels like it would get the wrinkles out pretty good. So that's that. The second item in the box is, let me find the tag. It is the Emory Park Landy Crochet Trim Kimono. I don't own any kimonos. Looks like it has a pretty long sleeve, and it has some floral pattern here. It's got some coral colors, some greens, and some reds, some blues. It has some of this detail going down, detail trim going down the side of it. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. It looks thin, it looks really long, so I'll be interested to see if I like that or not. The next thing I have in my box is the Esther brush knit maxi dress in blue, and the first thing I noticed about this is it's really, really, really soft. Let me find the top of it. And it is by French Gray, and it has this lots of blue and different shades of blue and some white. Very pretty. It has like the bunching at the waist. I don't see any slits, so it's just a basic maxi dress, but those are some really pretty colors. Really soft. Can't wait to try that on. Next in the box is the Tribal Fia printed cuffed cropped trouser, and it says it's in navy, and it's got lots of different blues in it as well. It's got the navy background. Feels stretchy, which is good. It's got the cropped rolled hem. Let's see. It is stitched, so it's not going to come off. It has that band that's supposed to keep you, you know, tucked in if you have that mommy pooch, which I definitely do. Those are cute. We'll see if they fit. Definitely use some capris. And the last thing in my box is this Vince Camuto Merra pleated shoulder detail blouse, and it's also blue. And I'm thinking she probably thought I would pair that with the capri pants, but she also mentioned putting it underneath the kimono, so we'll see about that. So yeah, looks pretty. It's really soft. And it's just a basic tank top. It does have a little bit of pleating, and looks like it's gonna hang. It's got that little bunching in the middle right there, so it's probably gonna hang down the middle nicely. All right, so next I'm gonna try all this stuff on. We'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with this first top. This is the Rainn Becru lace detail blouse in white, and it's really cute. I put a tan tank top underneath of it because it is a little bit thin, so you're probably going to need to put something underneath of it because you can see my jean capris underneath of it. But I'm going to get up close so you can see. It has all this detailing right here and detailing right here around the top. Yeah, it's really cute. Fits pretty good around the arms. Has that detailing on the sleeve. So I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back. I would have to probably wear a nude bra with it. But it has all that lace detailing in the back like that. And a cute little tie in the back. So yeah, I think I like this top. It's got a nice good length. Covers the bottom, which I prefer my tops to be longer like that. So yeah, I think this is a keeper. Okay, I'm gonna try the kimono with it. Be right back. All right, so I went ahead and threw that kimono on over top of this Rainn top. The kimono is by Emory Park. It is a Landy crochet trim kimono, and it says it's in off-white. It's really, 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 really long. I'm just not sure how I feel about it. Like, I kind of like it, but I don't know that I love it. It's got these really long sleeves, and for some reason, I'm just not a big fan of these like long sleeves like that. I had a top in my last box that had like a really kind of odd long length on me, but the floral print's pretty. Kind of has like this, I guess you would call it like a waterfall draping right here on the front. I don't know. I just don't know that it's me. So you guys tell me what you think. It's very sheer. The colors are nice. The detail on it's really pretty. I just don't know what I think about it. I feel a little odd in it, to be honest with you. So, all right. So next I'm gonna try on the maxi dress. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back with this blue dress. This is the French Gray Esther Brush Knit Maxi Dress in blue. Oh, it is so soft. It is so soft, and it's super stretchy. Talk about comfortable. I love the print. I think it's pretty. The colors are nice. I was worried about this bunching right here, but it doesn't really seem to bother me. I always have a little bit of trouble with like my stomach area. I'm working on that, but nothing that a cardigan couldn't probably fix, or I guess it's not even really that bad. The length comes down right to about my ankles, which is good. Yeah, it's just so soft. I mean, if you're looking for comfort, this is definitely the maxi dress to get then. Yeah, what do you guys think about this dress? I'm gonna try those crop trouser pants and the blue top together, and I'll be right back. All right guys, I am back with this last outfit. We'll start with the top. This is the Camuto Merra pleated shoulder detail top in blue, and it's really soft. Has that little V right here, and it gives that little pleat going down the middle. It is a high-low, I guess, because it's lower in the front and does cover the bottom nicely. Very soft, almost silky. And I love the color blue. Yeah, that's really pretty. Tell me what you think. This is what it looks like from the side. And from the back, it's got a little bit of pleating up there around the top where the seam is. All right, let's talk about these pants. These are the Tribal Fia printed cuffed cropped trouser in navy, and I have a black tank top underneath. I always wear a cami under everything. I like these pants. I like the band, how it covers the stomach and kind of sucks you in. They are very stretchy pants. I am trying to lose a little bit of weight. I am a little worried that maybe I should probably size down in these. I'm just not sure if it's gonna be the type of pant that when you wash it, it shrinks. So if anybody has these pants, can you tell me what you think? They come down to about the middle of my shin right here. But I feel like they might stretch out. And if they stretch out, like they're already a little bit baggy right here. And I feel like if they stretch out more, that might be a problem. So these are a size 12. I probably could go down to a size 10. Kind of in between sizes right now. But yeah, I think they're cute. I really like them. And I could tell that they're gonna wash up well. They're not gonna fade. Great pants for work because I'm a teacher. So, and I'll be right back. All right guys, we are back to do a recap of the items and the pricing. This is my fix number 8, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with the first item, which was this Camuto blue Merra pleated shoulder detail top. I love the color. It's really, really soft. And the cost of that top is $58. A little expensive, but I think Camuto is a little bit more pricey than other items. So the second item on my list was the French gray Maxi dress, and I really love this dress. It is so soft and comfortable, and if you're looking for comfort, then this is definitely your dress, and it is in blue, and the cost of that is $54, which I think is a really good price for a maxi dress. Next was the Tribal Fia cuffed crop trouser, and I really like these. I like the print. It's got that blue and that white and the navy background. The only thing I worry about is it might be just a little bit too big since it's kind of bagging right there, I guess in the crotch area. And these were a size 12 and they were $58. So I'm gonna see if they have a size 10, if I can size down. Then I might be keeping those for sure. Next on the list is this Rainn top. The Becru lace detailed blouse in white, and it is $68, which is also to be expected. That brand is a little bit pricey, but I absolutely love this top, and I think I'm definitely gonna wanna keep that. And last but not least was this Emory Park Landy crochet trim kimono, off-white. This is probably the one that I don't know about. Just not sure that I love it. I love the floral print. There's just a few things that I would like to see changed about it, but you guys let me know what you think. It is $44, so not too bad. So the stylist pick subtotal is $282. If I buy all 5 items, I get a 25% discount at $70.50, which leaves me with an order subtotal of $211.50, which is not horrible for a pair of pants, a dress, and 2 tops and a kimono. I don't think that's really a bad price. Tell me what you think. I'm really curious to see what you guys think I should keep and what I should get rid of. I'm gonna put my Stitch Fix referral link down in the description box below. And until next time, bye guys.